Welcome to this tutorial on recovering your Gmail password. We'll guide you step by step through the process. Forgetting your password can be stressful, but it's a common issue. This tutorial will show you an easy, secure way to regain access to your account and emphasize the importance of keeping your account secure. First, you need to navigate to the Gmail sign-in page. This is where you would normally enter your email and password. Open your web browser and go to gmail.com. You should see the familiar Google sign-in interface. Enter your Gmail email address or phone number associated with your account in the provided field. After entering your email, click on the Forgot Password link. This will start the password recovery process. Google will offer various ways to verify your identity, such as sending a code to a recovery email or a phone number linked to your account. Select your preferred recovery method. Then, check your recovery email inbox or your phone for a verification code. Once you receive the code, enter it into the verification field on the Gmail recovery page. Be sure to type it in correctly. After successful verification, you'll be prompted to create a new password. This is your chance to make it strong and secure. A strong password should be a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using easily guessable information like birthdays or common phrases. Confirm your new password by typing it in again. This ensures there are no typos. Congratulations! You have successfully recovered your Gmail password and regained access to your account. Remember to always use strong, unique passwords and keep your recovery information up to date for future security.